Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create the My Story page. It's on page 50. The My Story page introduces visitors to Dylan Jackson, the owner of DJ Turntable. This page builds customers' confidence by being more personal and getting them to meet the person they will be doing business with. So I'm already on my site and I'm already to where I can edit it. So how we get to this page is I can click on my pages menu on top here and I can switch and go down to My Story. I had some different things on here. I just deleted them. And I may even change my background later, but I'm not going to worry about that right at this very second. So notice I still have my menu bar on top and I still have my header and my footer information at the bottom. So unlike when we did this with Dreamweaver, I don't have to worry about creating those things again. Step 2 on here, we need to add DJ Turntable Musical and Entertainment Services as the browser page title. How we do that, on the left side, go to Menus and Pages, and where we have the My Story page, click the circle with 3 little dots in it to the right, and then go to Settings. We then want to go to SEO Google, and if we go down, it'll say what's the page title on search results and browser tabs. This is where we want to go ahead and type in our page title. So DJ, and there's 2 colons there. And then we are good. So I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this and click back inside of my website. If you hear anything, that's my 6-month-old. She's jumping in her jumper. She's very happy right now. Okay, and 3, it says include a submenu graphic link or text link to the following page, My Story. We already have our submenu item there. That's already bringing it. So what that's saying is underneath About, we want to go ahead and have the My Story underneath it, and we already have that created. So you don't need to do step 3. So don't worry about that. If your menu bar is already set up like it should be, that's nothing to worry about, so ignore step 3. Okay, step 4 says enter the following content block as the page title. Make the page title prominent, so I could make this here My Story if I wanted this to be here, or I could move it however you want it to. It's really up to you since it's going to be your website here. And then you need to enter a following separate content block that is going to be all that's in B. There's like 3 or 4 paragraphs there that you're going to type in. So to add that, you would click the plus sign on the left that says add, and then whatever you want it to, a paragraph, probably different paragraphs here. There's also other ones that don't match the theme, but it is nice if your whole site theme, all the text is the same throughout it. So I can go ahead and click to add this paragraph here, put it somewhere I like, and then type in all of that text. Now, with this one, and I saw some of you did the same type of site, which is totally fine, I am going to change my page background for this one because I'm just tired of looking at that guy all the time. So maybe I will just change it to black or like a gray or something instead. Now that's up to you. You don't have to do that. You can keep it the same throughout it, but just know that's where you go to change the background. Does the background have to be the same? No, but if I suddenly change this background to like pink instead, or a color that didn't match, that might not make a whole lot of sense. Actually, with this color here, oh geez, that's too bright. I don't want that one. This color here does kind of match DJ Turntable. It's not the most prettiest of colors either, but that's something that you can go ahead and change. And it says to enhance the page design, add an image that illustrates something about DJ Turntable's background or profession. So talking through his profession here, he's a high school band teacher. He's talking about music and he's talking about DJing. So we could click add and we could go ahead and add an image. And then I'm just going to pick one of the free Wix images here. I could find one somewhere else if I wanted to, but this will be easier for me. I'm going to search DJ. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just put in like this one. Wedding DJ. And then I'll click add to page. And then I'll move it to wherever it'll be easier. Hopefully you like working with Wix. One thing you probably will like a lot more than when you worked with Dreamweaver was how easy it is to move pictures where you want them to go. Those of you that were trying to center everything as well, to before in Dreamweaver and had a really hard time with that. Oh, so much easier here for this. So my story page is quite short. So what you should have done by now is the home, the about, and the my story page. We will also be meeting individually. I'll meet with each of you on Wednesday. I just want to go over your sites because it's just easier that way. If I know if I meet with you, I can talk with you. Some of you who have maybe are a little bit behind too, I can hopefully bring you up to speed. So with this being the only page you have to do this week, which is super short, I'm hoping that just gets everyone on the same page. And then what we'll probably start doing will be about 2 pages a week then. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope I can see you all on Wednesday.